Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, I'm Chef Din and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm cooking the base gravy, which is the most important item you can cook for your BRI curries. This method of cooking is completely different from what you used to. I've been using this method for over 40 years and my mother before me as well, when we used to be in the restaurant trade. I'm no longer in the restaurant trade, that's why I'm able to share you with all my secrets. So we need to cook all the pre-cooked items as well. If you haven't seen any of my videos, you must watch my series and watch the first 7 episodes, which will show you how to cook all the pre-cooked items. This is most important, because if you haven't got all the ingredients ready like this, we can't cook the curries. Curries will cook very quickly. So once you've got all your ingredients ready, I'm going to show you how to cook like bendi bhaji here, which is delicious. Bombay potato. We have also mushroom bhaji, sagalu. This is only but a few of the curries I'm going to show you. My series will cover the whole of a restaurant menu. So let's not waste any more time and let's get cooking. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to cook a vegetable curry. It's a little bit different from our chicken curry because this is for the vegetarian, of course. So we're going to put in a good spoon of seasoned oil, a little bit of chopped garlic. This is not grated, so just slice a piece of garlic, as you can see, and then chop it into lines. And we're going to just cook this in the oil just to infuse it a little bit. After this, we're going to add some green peppers. I do like green peppers, it brings out the freshness in the curry. So I put a bit of green peppers. You can put red pepper if you like, it's entirely up to you, or you can leave the pepper out if you don't like it. So that's the beauty of cooking at home and cooking for yourself. I've just put in a large spoon of bunna onions and some fresh chopped mushrooms. Now, what you have to do is basically stir this around a little bit and cook those mushrooms out, as you can see. So the bunna onions are pre-cooked. So you'll find this on my channel on the series 1 to 7 of cooking BRI curries. And you need to watch this. That's methi gone in, as you can see, and a good teaspoon of mixed powder, and also some tomato sauce, as you can see, about 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. So give that a good stir, and we're going to add our vegetables. Now, instead of vegetables, you could add chicken, or you could add the meat, all the pre-cooked meat and chicken, and that will give you your chicken curry or your meat curry. You could add chicken and meat, or you could add chicken, meat and vegetable and make it a mixed curry. It's entirely up to you. That's the beauty of cooking at home. You can add things you like in your curry and make it personal, as they say. When we was in the restaurant business, we had a computer system where we could design people's curries, would you believe? So if we had someone who wanted, this is a curry dish. So let me explain about a curry dish. Now with the curry dish, you have to heat it up on the burner, and when it's nice and hot, not too hot, but when it's really hot, add a little teaspoon of seasoned oil, a little bit of fresh garlic, maybe half a teaspoon of fresh garlic, give it a little stir, then pour the curry into this curry dish, and then sprinkle with coriander and serve at the table when it's bubbling hot, and you watch your guests with surprise as they see the dish coming to the table. I always used to get customers quite excited when they see the Khray dish, but that's how we served it at the restaurant. So what we're doing now, as you can see, we're bringing everything together in the curry and making sure that it doesn't burn on the sides. It's very important that you don't let it burn on the sides. We're not caramelizing this curry as you often hear, because I'm not sure actually what caramelization is of a curry, but all we're doing is making sure it doesn't burn on the sides. Now, I've cooked more curries probably than most of the YouTube put together, and I know how to cook curries. That was my profession, and I had done that professionally for nearly 40 years. I enjoyed it, and I enjoyed making customers happy when they come to my restaurant and enjoy my curries. And now I'm enjoying showing you. Now, if I wasn't in the business, if I was in the business, I wouldn't be doing this. I just wouldn't have time. But I'm not in the business, and I'm sharing my knowledge with you. So please share this with your friends and family, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already subscribed. Take a second out and just push the button at the bottom and subscribe to my channel. I've just put in some chili here, because that's the beauty as well of cooking curry at home. You can add chili or any other ingredient you like, just to make it more personal to yourself, and also to your taste, basically. So I've had a little bit of chili because I do like it just slightly, not too much. To this curry I would add probably a teaspoon of chili, and that will be the right heat for me. You may need it a bit more, I'm not sure, but taste it, see if it's not right this time. Next time add a bit more until you get it exactly the way you like it. Before I finish, I used to have a computerized system in my restaurant at the end, and we used to be able to make up curries for people. So if they wanted a chicken korma, say for instance, which is, you know, is mild and sweet and creamy, if they wanted it a little bit hotter, we could add chili to it, and on the computer we could add chili to it, so that when the kitchen staff got their receipt, it would be chicken korma plus madras hot or vindaloo hot, and so on. So it was quite a good idea in the end, when we could customize people's curries. So every time they come in, they just order their curry, and it was brilliant. So technology is very good when it's like that, because you can use it to your advantage. As you can see, the curry is coming together really nicely. The oil is starting to release. So this curry is nearly ready. So I hope you enjoy my vegetable Khray, and I hope you enjoy all my curries, because they are good. And if you haven't got time to cook these curries, cook my one pot curries, which are easy. So anyway, thanks for watching, and look out for my next.